Ready?
Yep.
You ready, Atley?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we'll look over there, okay? All right, here. Hey guys!
Guys.
Welcome to our channel. So today I've been wanting this item for a really long time. It's a small little Louis Vuitton piece. I actually wanted it for me because it's just so adorable, but I figured that it would be the cutest thing for Atley. So Atley has a Louis Vuitton unboxing. It's her first unboxing.
Mama's coming back.
Yeah. So Atley's having her first Louis Vuitton unboxing. Just a second. You can talk in just a second, okay? How old are you? Sit up so they can see you.
I'm 3.
You're 3, and yes, this is an unboxing for her, but technically I will be using it, and then when she gets older, obviously she can borrow it or play with it. This is a pre-loved piece, and this would be so perfect. I have a size for me, so let's let Atley open this. We have a little unboxing for Atley. I'm also doing IG stories right here, guys, so you want to open it?
Mm-hmm.
Atley's first Louis Vuitton unboxing. What is it?
My glove hurts. Let's see inside here.
What is it? Show them so they can see. What is it?
It's purse.
It's a purse. So look, Atley. Mommy has one. And Atley has one. How cute is that? Show them. So I actually, stand up and show them. So I love like the mini bag trend. You can scoot back and show them what it looks like. Ooh. So I really love the mini bag trend, and yeah, I wanted to buy it. Sorry guys, I'm actually filming a YouTube video too over here. And I really love it. I think it actually fits quite a bit, so they say. And so yeah, Atley obviously can play with it because it's pre-loved, it's vintage, it's not in the best shape as you can see, but it's just so cute. So before I go on with the story, I want to show what it looks like with Atley. Atley, why don't you hold it like this? Stand up next to mommy.
Okay.
Like this. Oh, you look so cute. And then put it in your hand. And we matched a little too. Yay.
But that was too far away, guys.
Yeah, so let's end the IG stories real quick. Okay. So we'll look at that later. Okay. So we just finished the IG story because I just thought it was too cute to not share. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to look inside of it? I put some paper towels in there so it'd be stuffed. But we can put some of your stuff in it first. But let me talk about it real quick. Can I show them first? Can I show them real quick?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so this is called they made a new version called the Nano Speedy, and so it has like the straps. This one I believe is from '97.
I like that low.
It says, well, I'll look later, but it's 1997 I believe, and they made this at first long time ago. It's called the what is it called? Speedy? I'll put the name right here. So when you search it, the older model, this is actually the name right here, what you'll come up with, but they also have the one with the strap. This doesn't have a strap. Oh, and look. So this is the little like thing that came off of it, like the zipper pull right here. But anyways, so this is called the, what is it called? Let me look real quick on my eBay real quick.
Hey guys, these are my purses. Mom got for my present. So we're going to just put some stuff inside, Mom. Mom, say hi.
Hi, I'm trying to figure out the real name of what it's called. Sorry guys, this is all over the place.
But guys, we're going to put this person a bag in this weird.
Okay, stand up. So it's called the Mini HL Speedy. This is a vintage version and it's so adorable. So this is a Speedy 30 And this is the HL Speedy. It's so cute. And I'm going to actually put a strap right here and wear it crossbody. And obviously Atley can play with it too. This is the strap for my Speedy 30. And I'm just gonna show you because obviously the strap is too big. But if you get like a thin Speedy, a thin Louis Vuitton strap, it'd be so cute on there. So yeah, you can wear it like this. Here, put it on, Atley. Okay, and sorry guys about the thunder too. Okay, sorry, my phone, I ran out of memory. So yeah, so stand up, Atley. Stand up what it looks like on. Crossbody. Put your arm through here. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Atley, stand back. And walk a little bit, walk back there and then come back. Okay, then come back, Atley, over here. Come back to mommy. Okay, yeah, so if you're not a luxury lover, you're probably like, this is ridiculous. But I just really love it a lot and she can play with it. I got it for such a great price. Typically, even these like conditions like this is not in the greatest condition. As you can see, the patina's dark, the hardware's like the little brass came off, the zipper is broken, but the canvas is intact. And so like things like that, maybe in even worse condition, are ranging from like $600 to $800 plus. Oh, don't touch the chair. And I got this one for like I believe like 200-ish. So yeah, I got it from eBay, a reputable seller, and I'm just really happy. I figured this would be a fun little unboxing with Atley, and I will definitely be using it too. It fits surprisingly a lot. So if you guys are interested in seeing like what can fit in this bag, then let me know, a little review. But yeah, so cute. So we'll do a quick mod shot for you guys and then we'll end it here. Come here, Atley. Okay, walk with mommy. Okay, can I see it real quick? See, it's actually so cute. Ridiculous, I know. Not everyone's cup of tea. But definitely a fun little piece, considering this is like, you know, the little mini trend is here. I also have my Boss 4 LV backpack, and then I have the really small Montsouris backpack that she wears. And then I also have the mini Papillon bag. I'll show you guys in another video. But all right guys, it's starting to storm outside, so I'm gonna end it here. Atley, do you wanna say, what do you say?
Thank you.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And say I hope you enjoyed my unboxing.
Bye. Thank you for doing my unboxing.
Say I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Say I hope you like my unboxing.
I hope you liked my boxing.
Yeah, say do you like my purse?
Do you like my purse?
Alright, thanks guys. If you like videos like this, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Mwah. Mwah.